Hey guys, so at Adventure Moto we carry a variety of tank bags. I want to show you how to fit them in this video. But first, why would you use a tank bag? Well, they're all about quick access. So whether you have a small tank bag, you're doing more technical riding and you want to use that space, or you're like me and you're carrying a camera and you need a bigger tank bag, we'll have a few options for you. I want to show you how I would go about fitting a tank bag to a bike. I've got the Desert X here. Because I like a little bit more space, these here are my two options. And I'll show you how I choose between them. Now, looking at the giant loop tank bag first, on the Desert X, it does sit quite nice. The special thing about the giant loop tank bag is their zippered harness. You can take the tank bag and flip it, giving access to your tank cap. However, on the Desert X, it's an offset tank cap. So a bike like this, or the Tenere 700 World Raid, you're not going to be able to really utilize this feature. Therefore, when I look at the Nelson Rig Hurricane Adventure tank bag, you've got simple female clips here, which will unclip and flip up. Much easier access. So I'm going to opt with this one. I'll get the straps out and I'll show you how to mount it. The tank bag will come with a nice divider, plenty of space. This is an 8-litre tank bag, and here are your straps. Another benefit of this tank bag is that it's waterproof, so I won't have to worry about my camera getting wet. So, I'm going to take the straps here, and you're going to differentiate between your front harness and your rear straps. So this harness will go around the yoke of the motorcycle, or the steering head, and you can tell because it's connected here, and you've got an elastic connection here. I'll simply unconnect that so I can wrap it around the yoke. Now, you want to find a spot where it's not going to pinch any cables or wires. Once you've got it around the yoke here, you can put it through the elastic again. The elastic's great because when you unclip your tank bag, the straps won't separate and possibly unravel themselves. They'll just sit nice and tidy there. I can even turn it to the side. I know they're not going to get messed up. I can just pull them straight back. It also keeps the tension when you're tying down. I can go ahead and clip my front two straps here and tighten them up. So we can adjust these once the frame straps are on. With this strap, you're going to find there's a loop at one end and the male buckle at the other. It's going to go around the frame and through itself, back up and clip into the female port. So you find a piece of frame here, through the loop and buckle in. I'll quickly do it to the other side and we'll adjust everything. Alright, so I'm going to tighten the top straps to prop the tank bag up. Once you tighten the top straps, you can kind of get it to a level where you know where it'll sit. So then you can start to tighten the bottom straps. So you want to take them here, tighten them like that. I'll do the other side here as well. Now you've tightened all the straps, you can see you've got a nice solid fitting to your tank bag. As you can see here, I can simply unbuckle these clips, flip the tank bag back, and there's my tank cap. Now, if you want to protect your paint, we recommend getting some clear vinyl or a sticker kit, and that'll stop any scratching or buffeting. All the tank bags that we stock and their respective brands offer a limited lifetime warranty, so they're really confident in their product. These are bulletproof and they'll last you a very long time. These are all available online at adventuremoto.com.au, or feel free to come into the store in Sydney or Brisbane.